Well, hey everybody, 650 Eve here. Welcome home to the channel. I'm in Miami at Motomillion headquarters, and in today's video, we're going to install some parts onto our gorgeous 2025 BMW S1000RR that we're using for the new bike build series. Manny has some parts lined up for us to put on this beautiful machine. I'm not quite sure what they are. I'm gonna stop talking. Let's go inside and check them out. Okay, Manny, I'm back.
What's going on, Eve?
Yes, hey buddy.
How you doing?
Always good to be here, always good to see you, always have, well, I was gonna say always have nice weather, but today it's raining here.
Yes, but at least we have a bike inside.
Yes.
We can't just sit around and do nothing.
No, so we have to put the Bluestone Metallic 2025 S1000RR Premium Edition on your lift, and as you can see, we do have your clear clutch cover that you sent us. Zach, the master mechanic, installed it. It's illuminated. The button's nice. What do you think of the placement of the button?
I love it.
Yeah.
It looks really good. If you didn't know what that is, you're not even going to touch it.
That's right.
So,
yeah.
There you go. I'll turn it on.
I like it.
But one thing, speaking of this clutch cover, I think we're going to get away with the gold.
I think so too.
Because I think there's some red accents that we should tie in together. The gold goes really well with the color, if you ask me. It complements the color. But I think the vision has changed.
Yes.
But I hope your viewers can comment down below and tell us if it's a good idea to try to tie in some red with whatever we have. I'm still thinking we should do black here so it's not so in your face and have just red accents because there's red all over the bike.
I agree.
Very, very little red though.
Yeah.
Like nothing, nothing crazy because I think we should focus on the color of this beautiful bluestone metallic.
I totally agree. I totally agree.
Yeah, and with some carbon, with some, other pieces, we could really make it pop.
Yeah.
For sure. I mean, this bike is a clean slate. I'm actually happy that it's here, that we get to do some stuff on it, and let's see. But we need you guys to support Eve, right?
That's right.
I'm doing my bit, guys.
Yes, you are.
I'm supporting Eve, but you guys have to support Eve because these, unfortunately, the support for the Patreon series has been low. And I'm not saying this because I get anything out of it, guys. I don't get anything from Patreon, but what Eve is doing, he was one of the first. He's been doing it for so long. What bike is this, 15?
Yeah, 15, yeah.
15 is my lucky number, guys.
Wow.
So radiant oil cooler guards, because we're gonna go dig deep and get the exhaust out of it.
Yep.
Favorite levers, TWM.
Yes.
Favorite fuel cap, TWM.
Yep.
Our smoke windscreen, and also our NRC tail tidy kit.
Oh yeah, we need all that.
And there's so much more we could do, but I don't want to just go crazy and build a bike all day.
No.
Because we want to see if we can get some riding done. And also, Eve's not telling me this, and I'm not going to tell you either, but there's something pretty cool coming up soon.
Yes.
And I think most of your viewers will like it.
Yes.
And if they don't, I'm going to make sure they like it. So
yes.
We're gonna make sure to have the Motomillion flavor somehow. I'm sure Eve's going to give out some sort of a teaser or news, whatever it is for you guys. I think it's, no one's gonna guess what it is.
No.
And they could guess down in the comments below if they want.
Yeah.
And I'll be reading those comments. If someone guesses it, I don't know, I'll give him something. What should we give him? Like a
gift card for Motomillion to buy some stuff?
Yeah, $200 gift card.
Ooh,
if someone guesses what's coming up. But it can't be in your, it can't be in Eve's circle of people.
Right.
Because
they already know.
Oh, they know?
Some of them do.
Okay, and my circle does not know anything either. Yeah. So, but also my circle is, they're not going to get anything from us like that. So they're not allowed. We have to make it fair. But
Hector's over there like, dang it.
Yeah, because I'm sure he was already commenting before the video was released.
Yes.
But let's get this bike up. Let's start taking the fairings off and put some stuff on it.
Okay, Manny's making progress. The full titanium exhaust is on. We're using the stock beautiful canister. It's a gorgeous canister. It came with the bike. It looks great, Manny. It performs good. It's not going to be super loud to make the person deaf.
Yeah, I think it's a good choice. And if you don't like it, you could always swap another slip-on on there. It'll still be a full exhaust system.
Yes.
Now we got our radiator guards.
For protection. You know, our good buddy Brian had an incident. We were riding in Arizona. He was behind me and a rock
really
came up from my tire and destroyed his unprotected radiator.
There you go. I'm not telling you guys the story. Not the guy selling the parts. The guy behind the camera is. So I keep telling people this is cheap insurance.
Yes.
Forget about paying for the radiator. I bet you ruined your day, no?
We did, absolutely. He's got the exhaust installed. He's got this beautiful black thingy here that looks nice.
Exhaust bushing.
Exhaust bushing, here we go. TWS?
Yes, sir.
I can see that, nice. So then now what are you doing?
We are changing the clutch cover from gold to black.
Nice.
So this is a light up one, as everybody knows, right? Mm-hmm. And just want to mention that if you have a clear clutch cover and you want to put the light up ones, you can actually just get the light up kit, so you don't have to do the whole clear clutch cover. In this case, we're lucky because Master Mechanic Zach wired this thing up nicely for us. Yes. All we're going to change is what you see over here. We're going to take this. If I could take this thing off, which I can, just like that. Transfer the OG glass. So the cover kit, the light up cover kit will come with all this stuff. I just want to reuse as much as possible and keep the others for spares, just in case one of you guys are looking for spare parts. And then now we gotta put this gasket in place. I already can tell you this was the right choice.
Yeah, I see. I think that looks much better, Manny.
I think so too. And it still works.
Yes. What a difference something like that makes in the overall appearance of the motorcycle.
I think so. I was wrong about the gold one.
Yeah.
Well, wait. We had a lot more plans with the gold,
yes,
but we decided not to have a lot more plans with the gold. So that's my excuse.
Complete. Full day's work. And we got some beautiful stuff to show you. The quick release, fuel cap.
I'll do it.
Yes, he'll demonstrate. Yes.
Not easy to do with the camera in left hand. Let's show that NRC fender eliminator kit.
Right turn signal, check. Left turn signal, check. Brake light, check. And we have a 50-state legal white LED license plate light.
We got the TWM levers on.
Oh yeah.
Love the WRS windscreen. That light smoke actually goes really well with the bluestone metallic color.
Yeah.
And also the gold clutch cover is gone.
Oh, it is. That's right.
Yes, that's gone. There's a button right here. Was it on or off? Oh, there you go. And this thing right here, the exhaust bushing.
Oh yeah. Plays very nicely.
That's good.
Yeah.
Once the weather clears up, we'll start it off. Till then, we're going to change some carbon fiber parts. Or we're going to put some carbon fiber parts on this amazing, amazing motorcycle. But that's pretty cool too. I don't know. I wonder how many people are Ducati people on your channel and how many are BMW people. I think there's a lot more BMW guys.
Yeah, I would say so.
We need to do a poll.
Yeah. Here's the beautiful piece. It's super light, but looks great. Satin, carbon fiber, to join the rest of the satin carbon fiber on this beautiful machine. I like the fact that we didn't do any mix match on this. Did you do mix match on your red one over there? I want to take a look at it.
Heel guards probably. Yes. That's the only mix match.
But it certainly does look good gloss on this one. I will say that. And I love the wrap you did to incorporate more red into this.
So here's the thing. If you have a livery, I think satin looks better because the gloss carbon doesn't overpower it.
Yes.
If you have a solid cover, I think gloss looks good. Yeah. Because instead of black pieces, it has carbon fiber.
Should you add some black to the tail section to tie in? Because this is, you got this, but should you maybe put some
we have the carbon fiber piece for that. We put it on and we were going to do some sort of a design, but we thought it's too much. But let me show you something that you probably didn't notice, but take a look at this. This is all carbon, the inner.
I do see that.
Yeah, inner panel.
That's
so
nice.
We did, the original Motomillion Panigale before had the tail one.
Yeah.
But then we swapped it out and we did the different layers.
Do they make this in satin?
Yes, they do. But you have a paint scheme on there.
Oh, okay.
You see?
Yeah.
Yours is painted nicely blue and white.
You're right. Yep, I see that now. So we will leave it alone. All done, both bikes. Take a look, guys, at how beautiful it looks when you look down, when you're riding this bike, and you can see all of the gorgeous carbon fiber there, tying in very nicely. You know, honestly, this bike should have come with this level of carbon fiber. The fact that it didn't is disturbing, but of course, Once again, Motomillion to the rescue to fix these problems.
Yes, sir. Well, that bike was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
I remember you picked it up the first day, came down, put the exhaust and all the other parts.
Yeah.
The anodized blue. You know what I like?
What?
About this bike, without taking the spotlight away from our blue stone metallic S1000 that's here. When you look at that bike, it could have really came like that from the factory. It's a shame that it didn't.
Yes.
Because I really think they could do such things for such prices.
Yep. Totally agree.
A question for you. Would you have rather had the regular brakes on there, but everything else that we've done to the bike? Or would you want the brakes that are on there without everything that was done to the bike?
Absolutely fair question, and I would want these exceptional brakes. Every time I ride this bike, I'm reminded of how awesome these brakes are, and then when I jump on a bike that doesn't have them, I'm deeply saddened. So yeah.
There you have it. I guess they could charge another $10,000 for the rest of the parts. This must be carbon fiber next time we touch this bike. Get rid of that reflector on it too.
Yep.
There's a lot of things we could do. Also, maybe if it works out, we could do the build bike and your M1000, put your carbon fiber swing arm on there.
Now that would be nice.
Yeah, that'd be very
Yes.
cool. That would be 2 S1000s or S1000 and an M1000. I'm sorry, BMW people. I called an M1000 an S1000, which it isn't, but it'll be very, very cool.
Yeah.
And we got to take your Panigale V4 and our Panigale V4
Yes. For a ride.
Yeah.
Maybe we can get our other buddy that we work with, Fastlane D, out here.
Yes.
And he can either ride his SP2 or hopefully he'll get that Lamborghini.
Yes, I think that'd be cool.
Yeah.
And Fastlane, if you're watching, get that SP2 changed, man. You got to get on a new bike.
Yes, he does. He'll love it. I know he's probably ridden them as test bikes, you know, for a little bit or whatever, but when you own these bikes yourself, as he knows, it's totally different from when you're doing a test ride on something.
Yeah.
This bike is way more comfortable than the previous generation. It's faster, the gauges are better, so yeah, I want him to do it.
I'll say something to make the BMW people happy. They're still hot.
Yeah, they are still hot.
Yeah, there are times that in the summertime here in Miami, we can't ride these things. No matter titanium exhaust, whatever. It is the nature of the beast, we'll call it, and that's the days when we have the S1000s and the M1000s to ride, so.
Yeah. Thanks, Manny.
Hey, anytime, Eve. Thank you for coming by.
Fired up here. Hopefully we'll put that in the end of this video. So keep watching. Okay, we got the bike outside so you can see how nice it looks. We think that the black clear clutch cover, much better than the gold that was on the bike. It blends in a lot better, but look at that exhaust. No longer with the catalytic converter hanging underneath, and it just looks amazing with this beautiful canister. This canister came with the bike, so we chose not to replace it, but if you want to replace it with something shorter or just something different, you can do that because it will connect to this beautiful Akrapovic mid-pipe and header system on this gorgeous machine. The rest of the parts are looking nice too, but let's see if we can hear how this bike sounds out here in the beautiful, brilliant Miami sunlight. All right, guys, it sounds great. You have the opportunity to possibly win this motorcycle. Information on how you can do that is in the description of this video, and it's on the screen right now. Someone is going to be so happy when they win this motorcycle by supporting the New Bike Build Series on Patreon, guys. And I suggest you support the New Bike Build Series at the highest level, because the more you support, the better your chances of helping out the channel and possibly winning this motorcycle. All right, guys, it looks great. It sounds great, but we have a lot more to do to this beautiful machine over the upcoming weeks. So stay tuned for that. And once it's all done, we will give this motorcycle away. All right, guys, thanks for viewing. Don't forget, ride something, ride safe.